Hello everybody, Zorans here. My next course at Academy 387 is the most basic one. It's titled Introduction to Programming in C and C++. You can start learning programming in all kinds of different languages, but if you start with C and C++, you will get the most comprehensive foundation for your future advances in the field of software development. The course covers a large number of software development concepts applicable in C and the other programming languages too. It starts with the notion of data types and elementary computing operations and finishes with the concepts of classes and objects. You will build your programming skill set through numerous programming exercises and small projects. Programming is a serious business, but it is also very fulfilling and fun. Let's experience it together. Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you soon in Academy 387 classrooms.